Good evening, my dear gorgeous ladies. Sankranti special live ki swagatam andi. Today I am going to showcase beautiful Georgette sarees, Banarasi Georgette. Let's start our show with the mannequins.
Yeah.
Back to our collection. In kattukuna saree, beautiful mango yellow andi, very lovely Banarasi Georgette, complete jal with pretty floral vines border and complete florals and blocks and geometric blocks వచ్చాయి along with the floral vines border. Lovely pallu and blouse kuda manaki self color ostundandi, self plain Banarasi Georgette with border. And ee beautiful saree pricing and details ivanni viewers prices matrame. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another gorgeous saree. And do follow us in Instagram and Facebook andi, Brand Mandir page follow avandi. Alage do subscribe our channel in Brand Mandir YouTube and pakkane unna bell icon click cheyandi so that whenever we upload new collection you will be getting notification. Beautiful saree, parrot green with pink combination, all over beautiful florals and border వచ్చేసి floral jal, contrast border and ఇదంతా మనకి antique weave అండి, antique zari. Pallu is contrast with complete jal, floral jal and blouse contrast with border, beautiful bright pink. And this saree pricing and details 7680. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. And this sarees anni weavers prices andi. Let me show you another gorgeous saree. Wow, stunning red, very gorgeous red, all over drop shape booties with floral vines border and beautiful pallu with the borders, and middle we got beautiful paisleys and blouse వచ్చేసి self color with border. And ఈ saree pricing and details, ఈ saree price వచ్చేసి 5840 only. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Very gorgeous red and stunning red, very pretty. Let me show you another beautiful saree. Red ante always adurs andi. And that too weavers prices లో వస్తున్నాయి 24 hours మాత్రమే. అండ్ ఈ అరుదైన అవకాశం ఓన్లీ ఇన్స్టా అండ్ ఎఫ్బి లైవ్ యూజర్స్ కి మాత్రమే అండి. అండ్ ఈ వీడియో 24 hours మీకు అవైలబుల్ లో ఉంటుంది ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ లో, ఫేస్బుక్ లో, అలాగే యూట్యూబ్ లో. సో విదిన్ 24 hours మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా బుక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. లవ్లీ సీ గ్రీన్ అండ్ బ్లూ, 2 colors, very pretty saree, all over diamond brocade, diamond booties వచ్చాయండి. Geometric pattern, border వచ్చేసి cross కడ్డీ along with the florals, complete floral jal, beautiful geometric blocks వచ్చాయి, boxes, different patterns. And blouse వచ్చేసి కాంట్రాస్ట్ వచ్చింది సీ గ్రీన్ విత్ బార్డర్. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్, ఇట్స్ 11,400, 11,040. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely saree. Let me show you another gorgeous saree. Beautiful green with purple and pink combination. All over body antique floral booties and round booties. And beautiful border, floral vines, leaf border. Pallu vachesi contrast with double border and the above purple and pink border with leaves and floral vines with huge booties in the middle. And blouse is contrast with border. Ivanni pure georgettes andi, Banarasi georgette sarees. And the beautiful saree price, here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000, and it costs 880, 8,880. Very beautiful saree. Another stunning black georgette saree, all over beautiful peacocks, 2 different varieties of peacock booties and florals. Border వచ్చేసి green and red, red లో floral jal and green లో floral vines with cross kaddi. Pallu is contrast with floral jal, leaves and floral jal along with the borders. And blouse is contrast red color blouse with border. And the beautiful saree pricing and details, 8,880. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another gorgeous saree. Do visit our store and it's in road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills. This saree vachesi beautiful peach color, it's a pastel shade, light peach with all over kala zari, geometrical pattern, and border vachesi with darker peach with floral jal. and very pretty pallu, contrast pallu with florals and మధ్యలో వచ్చేసి 4 side border వచ్చి booties వచ్చాయండి, leaf booties. And blouse is contrast with border. And a beautiful saree, pricing and details. 10,720. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. If you're pastel lovers, just go for this beautiful saree. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Lovely red and green combination. All over checks. Beautiful red and green, and border is contrast green color with floral vines border. And pallu is contrast with floral jar along with the floral vines border. Blouse is contrast with border. రమ్య గారు ఇంకా చెక్స్ ప్యాటర్న్స్ వస్తున్నాయండి, జస్ట్ వెయిట్ అండ్ సీ. లెట్ మీ షో యూ అనదర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ. Let me show you another saree. And we ship globally andi, globally shipping undandi. Within Hyderabad aithe cash and delivery option kuda undi. And this beautiful saree in blue and navy blue combination. All over huge floral booties vachai. Half and half, downside navy blue, upper side we got blue. Border vachesi florals and leaves. And complete brocade వచ్చిందండి. Beautiful saree. And let me show you the pricing and details of red saree, then this saree. Just wait. And you can follow us in Instagram and Facebook andi. And అలాగే యూట్యూబ్లో కూడా మా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అండ్ పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి, సో దట్ వెన్ ఎవర్ వి అప్లోడ్ న్యూ కలెక్షన్ యూ విల్ బి గెటింగ్ నోటిఫికేషన్. అండ్ ఈ సంక్రాంతి స్పెషల్ లైవ్స్ మాత్రం మిస్ అవ్వకండి, వీవర్స్ ప్రైజెస్ లో వస్తున్నాయి బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీస్. ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ లెట్ మీ షో యూ. జస్ట్ టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ లైక్ దిస్. $10,680. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another pretty saree. Lovely green and red combination. All over floral booties. Border is contrast with cross cutty and floral vines. Pallu is contrast with cross cutty and floral booties along with the border and cross cutty. Blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details 9,600. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. And we ship globally and within Hyderabad cash and delivery option kuda undi. And for more collections do visit our website, that is www.brandmandar.com. One more pretty sari, which is in yellow and red combination. All over antique florals, floral booties, and border is complete jal. Contrast border with antique floral jal. And this is the pallu, contrast with complete jal. And beautiful contrast blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details, 7,680 only. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Wow, one more gorgeous saree and royal blue and magenta pink combination lo undi. All over floral booties vachai. Border paithani style undi with munia, kaddi and florals, meenakari florals. Pallu kuda complete kaddi with meenakari, jal and florals. And this is the blouse. One second. Yeah, here we go with the blouse, plain contrast blouse ostundandi. And the saree pricing details, 14,880. It's a Paithani style Banarasi Georgette, blue and maroon color. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another gorgeous saree. Wow, pink and blue, very pretty. This chiffon georgette andi. All over drop shape floral booties vachai. Border వచ్చేసి contrast floral vines border with paslays above the border. Pallu is contrast with border, floral vines border and floral booties in the middle. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details, 6,000 rupees. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Suchitra garu, red with yellow adigaru kadandi. I'll be showing next saree ade. Beautiful Banarasi Georgette with yellow and red. Very pretty mango yellow and beautiful yellow with stunning red combination. Adripoyindi combination. All over floral booties vachai beautiful ga. Border vachesi cross kaddi with floral vines border. Very pretty border. And pallu is contrast with complete jal, floral jal. Blouse kuda contrast vachindandi, beautiful contrast blouse with border. Wow. And this is how it looks. And the saree pricing and details, 8,320. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another gorgeous saree which is in grey and blue combination. Very lovely andi, beautiful saree. All over peacock booties and dotted booties vachai. Border is contrast with elephants, floral booties, peacocks, very beautiful borders. Pallu is same as border with cross brocade, peacocks, florals, elephants along with the circle border. Beautiful contrast blouse with border. Very pretty saree andi. Nice combination. Chala rare ga untundi ilanti combination anedi. And ee saree pricing and details 11,040 rupees. Take a screenshot and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. ఇందాక నేను చూపించిన రెడ్ అండ్ గ్రీన్ కాంబినేషన్ సారీ మరొకసారి చూసేద్దామండి. వెరీ ప్రెటీ సారీ. And you can visit our store. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills near Peddama Temple, and one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills. And for customized blouses, contact Rupamani and the R for Rupmani, another brand from Brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. If any query regarding designing, just WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Our designing team will get in contact with you and will suggest you with the best designs. Let's see the saree. And ఈ సారీ కోడింగ్ డీటెయిల్స్ చూసేద్దామండి. 8,320. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Wow. Red and black, beautiful combination. All over floral vines with beautiful parrots and peacocks. Very pretty. Border with dolls, doll booties, god and goddess, kings and queens, I think we can say. And lovely pallu contrast with checks, floral vine checks. దాని లోపల మనకి కింగ్స్ అండ్ క్వీన్స్ వచ్చాయండి, బుటీస్. అండ్ బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసి కాంట్రాస్ట్ విత్ బార్డర్. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్, take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Very gorgeous saree. Let me show you another pretty saree, which is in baby pink and blush pink combination. All over silver zari checks and beautiful border contrast with floral vines, floral jal. Pallu వచ్చేసి half diamond brocade with florals and half floral jal above. Big border అండి, floral jal border వచ్చింది. And the blouse is contrast with border and a beautiful saree price 11,040 rupees. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Very pretty and beautiful saree. One beautiful chiffon georgette, light weight and చాలా సాఫ్ట్ గా ఉంటుంది fabric, very light weight. Parrot green with pink combination, all over drop shape florals, and border is contrast with floral vines. Pallu is contrast with floral booties along with the floral vines border, and the blouse is contrast with border like this. Very stunning and gorgeous combination. And the saree pricing and details, here we go. Take a screenshot, send us immediately on 733 733 7000, and this beautiful saree costs 6,000. Let me show you another gorgeous saree, and chala lightweight undandi saree. Yeah, Renuka garu bottle green sarees chala unnayandi. Here we go. Bottle green with black and red combination andi. All over floral booties vachayi. And border vachesi floral vines border, black and red border. Pallu is contrast with floral jal along with the black floral vines border. And blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Very gorgeous saree andi. Double borders రావడం వల్ల చాలా అట్రాక్టివ్ గా ఉంది saree. Let me show you another pretty saree. Brinjal color with beautiful brinjal color with the yellow combination. All over florals. Border వచ్చేసి brocade అండి. ఇదంతా antique zari, diamond brocade. And pallu వచ్చేసి contrast floral jal. Blouse is also contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. 7,680. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Beautiful color. Let me show you another saree. Wow, beautiful, stunning color. It's a crepe, Banarasi crepe, all over silver floral booties, contrast border with triangular brocade and florals, floral vines. Contrast pallu with cross diamonds and florals along with the triangular border. And blouse is contrast with border. It's a pure crepe. And the saree pricing and details, 8,160. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Very lovely saree andi. Chala beautiful ga undi. Color combination matram adripoyindi. It's a crepe material. చాలా మంది ఫ్యాబ్రిక్స్ గురించి కూడా అడుగుతున్నారు. క్రేప్ కూడా షైన్ ఉంటుందండి బాగా. ఎంత ముద్దుగా ఉందో పింక్, వెరీ ప్రెటీ పింక్. అండ్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ పికాక్స్, ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్స్ లో ఉన్న పికాక్ బుటీస్ వచ్చాయి. అండ్ బార్డర్ వచ్చేసి స్కాలపీ బార్డర్ వచ్చింది విత్ లీవ్స్, ఎలిఫెంట్స్, పికాక్స్ అండ్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ ప్యారెట్స్ and diamond brocade border. Pallu vachesi complete florals with cross diamonds border. Blouse is self color with border. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. And let me show you the saree in the bottle green saree in details. Chala beautiful ga undi. All colors are very pretty today. Let's see the green saree. Ramya garu, this is for you. 9,920 అండి. స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి 733 733 7000 అనే నంబర్ కి. Now back to our collections. Beautiful green వస్తుందండి, గ్రే అండ్ గ్రీన్ కాంబినేషన్. Stunning grey and green combination. All over peacock booties and round booties. చిన్న round floral booties వచ్చాయి. Border వచ్చేసి చాలా పెద్ద border. Contrast with elephants, peacocks in blocks, florals and rounds. Alternate borders వచ్చాయి. And lovely pallu contrast with cross diamonds, elephants, florals and peacocks. And blocks లో మనకి peacocks వచ్చాయండి with rounds and floral border. And this is the beautiful contrast blouse with border. Very pretty combination. And ee saree pricing and details. 10,000 rupees is the cost. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately. Kalavati garu, grey saree meekosam andi. Kalavati garu, and take a screenshot of this saree and send us on 733 733 7000. Very beautiful. Lovely maroon and pink combination and hot pink. All over floral lines with florals and leaves. Border వచ్చేసి kaddi with florals. Pallu వచ్చేసి contrast with border, kaddi border and floral booties వచ్చాయి. Blouse చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా వచ్చింది. కాంట్రాస్ట్ with all over floral booties along with the border. Very pretty blouse. Blouse మాత్రం సూపర్ గా వచ్చింది. సారీకి స్టన్నింగ్ గా ఉందండి. అంటే లైట్ గా ఇచ్చారు, దూరం దూరం వీవ్ కాబట్టి బ్లౌజ్ నిండుగా ఉంది, సూపర్ గా ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైస్ వావ్ 7,440 only. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Let's talk about silver jewelry. My kada, beautiful kada. Anta stunning ga undo. Vani rubies andi, madhilo anta seasits. 4 sides a peacock heads వచ్చాయి. సైడ్ కంతా మనకి ఎమరాల్డ్స్ వచ్చాయి. వెరీ ప్రెటీ సారీ, వెరీ ప్రెటీ kada. అండ్ ఈ kada వచ్చేసి 13,440. అండ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఇయర్ రింగ్స్ which cost 4,465 pair. Very lovely. And let's see another saree. Multi color, anni pastel shades andi, multi colors, very beautiful blue and mauve shades వచ్చాయి, ఎక్కువ ఇంగ్లీష్ షేడ్స్ వచ్చాయి. ఆల్ ఓవర్ కాలా జరీతో చెక్స్ వచ్చాయి, బ్లాక్స్ వచ్చాయి. అండ్ బార్డర్ వచ్చేసి బేజ్ కలర్ లో ఉంది. దాంట్లో మనకి 3 రోజెస్, బంచ్ ఆఫ్ రోజెస్ బూటీస్ వచ్చాయి along with the kaddi border, and it's completely with kala zari. And beautiful pallu with booties, bunch of rose booties along with the border. Blouse వచ్చేసి olive green color లో ఉంది with border. And ఈ saree pricing and details 13,799. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733-733-7000. And these are weavers prices and only for 24 hours. They just grab this beautiful sarees. Very lovely saree. It's a chiffon georgette. All over drop shape booties and floral vines border. Pallu is floral vines with paisley booties. And this is the blouse, running blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details 5,840. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733-733-7000. Very lovely. Lovely magenta with green and blue combination. All over floral booties and borders వచ్చేసి floral vines border. Contrast pallu with floral jal and border. And blouse is contrast with border. ఇది wine and bottle green combination లో ఉందండి. And ఈ saree pricing and details 9,920. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733-733-7000. And ఇంకొక బాటిల్ గ్రీన్ సారీ వచ్చేస్తుందండి. One more bottle green saree with red combination, all over diamond florals. Kaddi, diamond kaddi, small and bigger size, kaddi border, contrast border. Pallu వచ్చేసి complete floral vines and jal. And beautiful contrast blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details 7,440. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733-733-7000. Next saree వచ్చేసి pure crepe saree. Very beautiful color combination andi. Purple with pink color lo vastundi, pinkish red. Very beautiful. It's a crepe. All over floral booties. Border వచ్చేసి triangular brocade with floral vines. Pallu is completely diamond brocade along with the triangular border and florals. And blouse వచ్చేసి contrast pinkish red along with the border. And the saree pricing and details 7,360. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733-733-7000. Another bottle green saree, single color, It's a single colored saree, very pretty, all over checks with Gandabarandam, deers, peacocks and unicorns, booties. And border, diamond brocade with cross kaddi border. Pallu vachesi complete floral brocade. And the blouse is self color with border. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Wow, one more gorgeous saree, beige color, all over floral booties. Border vachesi kaddi with meenakari weave, florals and leaves, and beautiful pallu, rich kaddi with floral booties along with the border. And this is the gorgeous blouse, self color with zari lines along with the border. And the beautiful saree price vachesi 7,827. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Very beautiful saree andi, very pretty. I just loved the blouse. అందరి ఇష్టమైన కలర్ వచ్చేసింది రెడ్ కలర్. వావ్, స్టన్నింగ్ రెడ్, రిచ్ బనారసి జార్జెట్ saree, all over checks with Gandabarandam, deers and unicorns, booties, peacocks, booties. Border vachesi diamond brocade along with the cross kaddi. Pallu is completely floral brocade. And the blouse is self color with border. And the saree pricing and details. Wow, 8,960 only. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. It's another gorgeous saree. Orange and pink. Beautiful floral booties along with the drop shape peacock booties, peacocks with florals. Contrast border with antique, idantha kala zari andi, kaddi with blocks, అందులో florals and peacocks వచ్చాయి. Contrast pallu with zigzag brocade. And blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details 11,060, 40 rupees. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Very lovely shade. ఈ సారీ డీటెయిలింగ్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దామండి. And you can visit our store. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills, near Padma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills. And మీరు ఇవే కలెక్షన్ కాకుండా మీకు నచ్చిన కలెక్షన్స్ కూడా చూడొచ్చండి. ఎలా అంటే మీ జస్ట్ కన్వీనియంట్ టైం మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. ఆ టైంలో మా కస్టమర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ మీకు కాల్ చేస్తారు. మీకు ఏ కలెక్షన్ కావాలన్నదో వాళ్ళకి చెప్తే వాళ్ళు చూపిస్తారండి. దాని నుంచి మీకు నచ్చిన సారీ కూడా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ వీ షిప్ గ్లోబలీ విత్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. క్యాష్ ఆన్ డెలివరీ ఆప్షన్ కూడా అవైలబుల్ ఉంది. లెట్స్ సీ ద సారీ. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Bottle green with red and black. Floral booties. And pallu is contrast with floral jal. And blouse vachesi contrast maroon color with border. Very lovely and the border emo double vachindi. And the saree pricing and details 9,920. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Let's see another gorgeous saree. It's a tussar georgette, beautiful tussar georgette, beautiful brown, maroonish brown, and all over floral vines, jal with huge floral booties, border vachesi cross cutty with heart shape booties, cross cutty pallu, and this is the blouse, self color with border. You can go for contrast silver color blouse and the chala bond the border color, very pretty. And the saree pricing and details 12,880. Take a screenshot and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. I repeat, it's a tussar georgette andi. Very gorgeous. Let's see another pretty saree. Lovely maroon and black combination, all over floral booties, and border is contrast with floral vines, rudraksh and diamond brocade, complete with antique zari, and border vachesi rich kaddi, cross lines, cross curvy lines with florals along with the floral vines border. Blouse vachesi self plain blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details 9,600. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Lovely grey and sea green combination, all over floral vines with florals, floral vines తో diamond brocades వచ్చాయండి. మధ్యలో మధ్యలో మనకి పీకాక్ అండ్ ఫ్లోరల్ బూటీస్ వచ్చాయి. బార్డర్ వచ్చేసి ఫ్లోరల్స్, పీకాక్స్ అండ్ పాస్లీస్, zigzag కడ్డీ బార్డర్స్ వచ్చాయి. పల్లు is contrast with cross diamonds, florals, elephants, peacocks and florals along with the peacock border. And the blouse is contrast with border. And this beautiful saree costs, here we go with the pricing and details of the saree. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. And we ship globally, and within Hyderabad we are providing cash and delivery option. Let me show you another pretty saree. Lovely red and green combination, intricate lines, all over body intricate stripes, and border is contrast with floral vines. Hurry up andi, sarees ani exclusive sarees and offer kuda 24 hours మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది. Beautiful pallu కాంట్రాస్ట్ పళ్ళు. శ్రీలక్ష్మి గారు ఫస్ట్ బుక్ చేసుకుంటే ఫస్ట్ శారీ మీదే అండి, ఫస్ట్ పర్చేస్ చేయండి. లవ్లీ శారీ. అండ్ బ్లౌజ్ చూసిద్దాం. అండ్ బ్లౌజ్ ఈజ్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ విత్ బార్డర్, వెరీ ప్రెటీ. అండ్ ఈ శారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్. Here we go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 7337337000. And this beautiful saree costs 9600 only. Almost anni sarees manaki 10 below ne unnayandi. Budget friendly sarees, very gorgeous collection. Let's see another pretty saree. Lovely purple with green combination, all over floral booties, contrast border with floral vines, huge florals, diamonds, contrast border. Pallu vachesi complete floral brocade, floral and leaf brocade. And the blouse is contrast with border. And ee saree pricing and details 9600. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 7337337000. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Mustard yellow with red combination, complete florals, round booties with deers, elephants and peacocks with antique zari, and border is contrast with kaddi, florals and parrots. Pallu vachesi complete kaddi with florals andi, complete jal. And blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details 9320. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 7337337000. Let me show you another pretty saree. Lovely blue with green and pink combination, all over checks with peacocks and florals. Border vachesi double border, pink and green with floral vines. Pallu is completely contrast with jal. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details 9920. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 7337337000. Sneha garu, our mandir prices are very reasonable andi, and the quality is awesome. And thank you for your compliment. Let me show you another gorgeous saree. Lovely chiffon georgette, stunning red and green combination, very beautiful saree. These are very lightweight and very soft, ultra soft. And border vachesi drop shape floral booties vachai. And border is contrast with floral vines. This are pure silver zari. Pallu vachesi contrast with booties, floral booties along with the floral vines border. and the blouse is contrast with border, and the beautiful saree price 6,000. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Wow, my favorite combination. వచ్చేస్తుంది yellow. అప్పటి నుంచి yellow రాలేదా అనుకున్నాను. Yellow, beautiful yellow with pink combination. All over floral booties. Silver zari andi. And border వచ్చేసి contrast with floral vines. This is chiffon georgette. Contrast pallu with floral booties along with the floral vines border. And the blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details here go. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. And we ship globally and within Hyderabad. Cash and delivery option also available on the very beautiful saree, and the fabric is very lovely. Let's see another chiffon georgette, which is in stunning blue color, very pretty. Blue and silver anedi awesome combination. All over floral booties వచ్చాయి. And border is silver border, floral vines border. Pallu వచ్చేసి self color with parsley booties and floral vines borders. And the blouse is self color with border. And I prefer a silver blouse వేసుకుంటే అద్రిపోతుందండి ఈ సారీ. Isn't it pretty and lovely? So pretty andi. And ఈ సారీ pricing and details 5,840. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Very lovely saree, beautiful saree. It's a Banarasi georgette, all over floral jal with huge florals and leaves, and kaddi border, and rich kaddi pallu. Complete rich ga untundandi Banarasi georgette anedi. And border blouse is self color with border. And the beautiful saree price 14,240. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another gorgeous saree. And ఇంతకు ముందు చూయించిన రెడ్ అండ్ బ్లాక్ సారీ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దామండి. విత్ కింగ్ అండ్ క్వీన్స్ బూటీస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా. కంప్లీట్ జాల్ విత్ పికాక్స్ అండ్ లీవ్స్. Back to our collections. ఇందాక మనం రెడ్ అండ్ బ్లాక్ చూసాం కదా, ఇప్పుడు బ్లాక్ అండ్ రెడ్. కంప్లీట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ రోజెస్ వచ్చాయి. హ్యూజ్ రోజ్ బూటీస్ విత్ లీవ్స్ జాల్. అండ్ బార్డర్ వచ్చేసి కాంట్రాస్ట్ విత్ zigzag కడ్డీ. పల్లు ఈస్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ విత్ క్రాస్ డైమండ్స్ అండ్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ ఇన్ ఇట్. And blouse is contrast with border, zigzag border. And the saree pricing and details 9,408. Take a screenshot and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another pretty saree. Beautiful pista green, all over silver zari checks, and bit darker shade undandi. Border vachesi contrast with darker green, florals and diamond brocade. Pallu is completely diamond brocade with florals, and paina vachesi jal border vachindi. Blouse is contrast with border, and the gorgeous saree price 11,040 rupees. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Very pretty saree. And here we go with the last and final saree for today. All over beautiful peacock booties in opposite directions, and the border is diamond brocade. Above the border scallop sheep flow, manaki florals, elephants and peacocks vachayandi with vines, and lovely pallu, self color with diamond border, and madhyalo anta florals and leaves. And the blouse is self plain blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details 8,960. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. ఇప్పుడు mannequin saree prices చూసేసి tables పైకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. Lovely purple and green combination. Complete zigzag weave vachindi with floral booties, diamond brocade border along with the floral vines. Price and details of this saree 9,200. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. Let's see another saree which is in pink, yellow and pink. Kala zari to booties vachayandi, florals, border vachesi diamond brocade along with the florals. Very pretty border, and saree color combinations too good, yellow and pink. And this saree pricing and details 7,680. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. And lovely crepe saree. It's a pink and blue combination. And the pricing and details 7,360. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. చూసారు కదండి. లెట్స్ సీ ద టేబుల్ సారీస్. ఇప్పటి వరకు నేను చూపించిన బ్యూటిఫుల్ బెనారసీ జార్జెట్ sarees, very pretty and awesome sarees here on tables. If you missed any screenshot, just take a screenshot now and send us immediately on 733 733 7000. ఇంకొక టేబుల్ పైన కూడా ఉన్నాయండి మన sarees. Here are some of our sarees. Superb color combinations anni chaala baagunnai sarees anni, and very lightweight. These are pure Banarasi georgettes. Chiffon georgettes unnai, tussar georgettes unnai. Lovely color combinations. చూసారు కదండి వాళ్ళ బ్యూటిఫుల్ జార్జెట్స్ మీకు నచ్చిన శారీ ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి 7337337000 అనే నెంబర్కి. ఈ ఆఫర్ అనేది 24 hours మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది, లైవ్ యూజర్స్కి మాత్రమే. సో ఈ వీడియో కూడా సేవ్ అయి ఉంటుందండి మీకు ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్లో, IGTVలో, అలాగే ఫేస్బుక్లో, అలాగే యూట్యూబ్లో కూడా సేవ్ అయి ఉంటుంది యూట్యూబ్లో. సో మీకు నచ్చిన శారీ వెంటనే 24 hours లోపు ఎప్పుడైనా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ 8 o'clock లైవ్లో బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలెక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయండి, మిస్ అవ్వకండి. అందరికీ హ్యాపీ సంక్రాంతి అండ్ భోగి విషెస్. స్టే బ్లెస్డ్ ఆల్. లవ్ యూ ఆల్. నమస్తే.